I've been a Border Patrol agent for 10 years now, and I don't know how much longer I can keep doing this. I joined long ago when border agents would chase drug runners and smugglers, and I did it for the adrenaline and the excitement. Now we block and detain hundreds of families that are fleeing their violence and extreme poverty in their home countries. It has become that we are more of a social worker than actual law enforcers. I feel for these people, but instead of the single man we used to see, it is a whole families that we see, and we are not equipped to deal with that change. We have asked and asked for more resources, but we've actually seen nothing. While most of my fellow agents agree with the new guidelines that are in place, it is so mentally draining to face all these families day after day. And not only do we deal with these families, but our position is not always looked upon with favor by everyone, even in our own families. In fact, my fellow agents are leaving the profession in droves. We can't hire enough to replace them. I can't blame them, as it gets tiring to be called a kid killer or to have people spit on you or your food. We're just trying to help everyone we can. And it's not our fault we can't get more than one family through a day. We are just trying. Heck, I and several of our other fellow agents have spent our own money to buy food and provisions to try to help out. We do hear the rumors of those agents who are not so kind to the immigrants, but they give the rest of us Border Patrol people a bad name. I guess I will just keep plugging away, one family at a time.